Welcome to MechAI, an offline edge AI system designed to optimize industrial assembly line efficiency. Traditional plant manufacturing suffers from severe structural bottlenecks, uncoordinated transport steps, and high cycle time variance. MechAI resolves this by deploying lightweight machine learning directly to shop floor terminals, with a zero cloud footprint. Our engine computes 12 automated modules, everything from automated line balancing charts to live production cost calculators. The system instantly flags non-value-added backtracking, transforming complex factory floors into streamlined, one-way U-shaped layouts. In a real-world field study of an air cooler manufacturer, we targeted critical layout inefficiencies. The resulting optimization slashed physical material transport by 66%, while boosting unit yield by 42%. 4 integrated scikit-learn models deliver predictive bottleneck forecasting and stockout risk scoring. And a fully local, secure large language model lets floor operators query factory data completely offline. Now let's walk through the demo. Setup. First, download the code from the main branch on our website, check description or scan QR in the video, unzip the file, then open a command prompt at that file location. Make sure Python is installed. If not, grab it from python.org. Then run the setup commands shown in the README file or in the video description. Once the offline model finishes downloading, it'll start a local server on port 5000. Copy that address into any browser and you're ready to go. Walkthrough. When MechAI opens, you'll see 4 tabs: About, Dashboard, Ask MechAI, and Links. As you explore the software, you'll find 12 components: ASIS Summary, Flow Process Chart, Line Balance Chart, Plant Layout Generator, Efficiency Comparison, SOP Generator, Cost Calculator, Daily Production Report, Shop Production Schedule, ABC Inventory Analysis, Kanban Cards, and Prediction and Forecasting. On the Dashboard tab, you can run a full analysis by creating your own project, or use the pre-installed demo of an air cooler manufacturer in Indoor, on which all 12 modules can be run instantly. On the Ask MechAI tab, don't worry, it's completely local first and needs no internet connection. Once installed, you can ask it anything about your project data. System requirements. Just a heads up, MechAI needs roughly 1 GB of storage and at least 4 GB of RAM to run. More RAM, the better the performance. That's MechAI. From IET-DVV, delivering smart, immediate, and localized factory intelligence. Thanks for watching.